Bitácora, September 2, 2009. Which was the last adjustment?
Yesterday we tried to install the cable, but we couldn't turn it on.
Professor, which experiment is this?
This is the experiment of the time machine. We're trying to get back to the past. The cable, right?
Yes, it's right.
We have to... Ya, perfecto.
Where am I?
What happened? Who are you?
Who are you?
I'm Professor Max. And this is...
Paola. Who are you?
My name is Joseph John Thomson. Where am I? Which year is this?
You are at September 2, 2009.
Wow!
Is everything right, Professor?
I don't know, where you come from?
Am I in the future?
Yes.
Where are you from?
I was born in Chatham Hill, Manchester. My birthday is December 18, 1856.
This is Guadalajara. September 2, 2009. It can be possible.
What is this?
The time machine works, Professor.
This is my biggest project, the time machine.
That cable is wrong. I think you made a mistake.
Why?
Son,
You're here.
let me tell you about
Who are
my
you?
life. I am Joseph John Thomson. I'm a scientist like you.
A scientist? Oh, Thomson, one of the...
Atomic theory.
Yeah,
Yeah, that one.
enlighten us with your knowledge.
Well,
Give us some
first
tips.
let me tell you something about what I did in my time. I enrolled at the Honors College, Manchester in 1870, and in 1876 I entered the Trinity College in Cambridge as a minor school. In 1880, when I was second wrangler and second Smith's prizeman, I remained a member of the college for the rest of my life, becoming lecturer in 1883 and master in 1918.
And master.
Master.
Wow.
I was Cavendish Professor of Experimental Physics at Cambridge, where I succeeded in Lord Rayleigh. From 1884 to 1918, I was an honorary Professor of Physics, Cambridge and Royal Institution London. My early interest in atomic structure was reflected in my treatise of the motion of vortex rings, which won me the Adams Prize in 1884. I cooperated with Professor J.H. Poynting in a 4-volume textbook of physics, Properties of Matter, and in 1895 I produced Elements of the Mathematical Theory of Electricity and Magnetism, the 5th edition, of which appeared in 1921. On my return from America, I achieved my most brilliant work of my life, an original study of cathode rays, culminating in the discovery of the electron. You know what is an electron?
Yeah, sure.
I returned to America in 1904 to deliver 6 lectures on electricity and matter at Yale University. They contained some important suggestions as to the structure of the atom, a method for separating different kinds of atoms and molecules by the use of positive rays, an idea developed by Aston, Dempster, and others towards the discovery of many isotopes.
Wow.
I was the president of the British Association in 1909 and of Section 8 in 1896 and 1931. I held honorary doctorate degrees from the universities of Oxford, Dublin, London, Victoria, Columbia, Cambridge, Durham, Birmingham, Groningen, Leeds, Oslo, Sorbonne, Edinburgh, Reading, Princeton, Glasgow, Johns Hopkins, Aberdeen, Athens, Krakow, and Philadelphia. In 1890, I married my gorgeous wife, that rests in peace, Rose Elizabeth, daughter of Sir George A. Packet, KCB. I had one son, now Sir George Paget Thomson, Emeritus Professor of Physics at London University, who was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1937. I had one daughter too.
Thomson, and what is your atomic theory based on?
Well, here you can see my atomic model. This is the atom, the yellow thing. The yellow thing is a positively charged matter, according to me and my studies. These little green things with the negative sign are the electrons because they are negatively charged. My theory that you were asking for, I discovered that atoms can be cut. I found that this out while studying rays traveling between charged metal plates in a vacuum tube. I discovered that the rays were consisted of negatively charged particles, and I had just discovered electrons. I discovered all of this on a trip from America, as I told you before in my biography. Since electrons are so small, I believed that they could only be from inside of the atom. Since my discovery of the electron, John Dalton's theory that atoms are indivisible had to be changed.
1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I know you want